Hello, and welcome to this Curved Poly Editor video guide. My name is Cody, and I'll be on your side as we take a look at the main features of Curved Poly Editor. The goal of this guide is to show you how to use every single tool in Curved Poly Editor in order to create models for your games and projects. In order to follow me on this journey, you will need a basic understanding of Unity and its editor interface. So what is a curved poly? A curved poly is 3D mesh made of curves. It has curved edges and curved faces. Curved edges are used to connect vertices and curved faces are used to fill the content inside a set of curved edges. Once a curved poly shape is set up, it can be tessellated in many ways, originating different alternatives meshes from the same model with different levels of details. Curved poly models can then be converted into meshes, or they can be used in play mode, at runtime, to access their full potential. Curved poly models whose meshes are generated at runtime will need less space in your build, as each individual curved poly model actually uses far fewer vertices once saved in your scene or in your assets. With our Curved Poly Editor you can access tools to generate or customize curved poly models on your needs. This guide is split into 3 main parts which should help you gradually access the full potential of the editor. At the very first level, you will learn the tools used to reshape and customize a pre-made model. These tools and models are available for free on the Unity Asset Store through a package named Curved Poly Shape Editor. At the second level, you will find more advanced ways to customize your models, composing together different parts from different pre-made models, generating custom shapes, and setting up parts of your models to receive different materials. This set of tools are actually part of the Curved Poly Maker package, but we are planning to add them as a separate package soon. At the last level, you will learn how to create custom shapes and parts from scratch, accessing the more advanced tools in Curved Poly Editor.